Good day, everyone. My name is Cherise Flores from BSCS2, and today I'm going to explain a simple code hash table in Java. So first, the public class simple hash table. This defines a public class named simple hash table. A class is like a container that holds method and code. Public static int multiplicative hash string k, comma int n. This declares a method called multiplicative hash. The string k is the word we want to hash, and then the int n is the number of buckets or slots where the hash result will be placed. The method returns an integer. Int hash equals 0 semicolon. We start with hash equal to 0. This variable will hold the result as we build the hash number. Int multiplier is equals to 37 semicolon. This is a number used to help mix the characters and reduce collisions. The number 37 is a common multiplier used in hashing. For int I equals 0 semicolon, I is less than k dot length, open and close bracket, semicolon, I plus plus. This is a for loop that goes through every character in the k string. Hash equals hash times multiplier plus k dot char at index. This updates the hash value each time. So it will multiply the current hash by 37. Add the ASCII value of the current character. This combines character to create a unique number. Return math.abs hash %n semicolon. Returns the final index. Math.abs hash make sure the number is positive, and then the percent n ensures the number fits into the bucket 0 to n minus 1. This is where the hash value is reduced to a valid index. Public static void main string args. This is the main method where the program starts running. These are the three strings. The K1, K2, and K3 are created with different words. Even though they have the same letters, the order matters in hashing. Int n is equals to 10 semicolon. sets the number of buckets to 10. So any index returned will be between 0 and 9. These codes are called multiplicative hash method for both keys. Index 1 stores the hash index of cat. Index 2 stores the hash index of dog. Index 3 stores the hash index of cow. So this is the code or the last line that prints the key and their corresponding hash index on the screen. So let's try to run the code. So the results are cat and the index is 6, dog, the index is 0, and cow, the index is 7. The values or results will depend on the calculations. So this is the previous result. So the next thing that we will do, we will try to change or replace the small letters into big letters in the string K to see the difference. And we will try to run the code. You will see in the screen that they have the same words or letters, but the result of the index are different. That's all for today. Thank you.